How to verify your Facebook page. To verify your Facebook page, you first of all have to go ahead and launch the Facebook application on your device. Now all you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to complete your profile, and also the legal title of your Facebook page must match your corporate registration paperwork or government issued ID exactly. Then proceed to two-factor authenticate your account. Then launch the Facebook application on your device. Now tap on your profile icon on the top right corner. Then tap on the three-dotted menu icon right below it. Once you tap on this, go ahead and tap on the Meta Verified option at the top. From here, simply select your plan or go through the benefits and then tap Unlock Benefits. Once you do this, go ahead and review the list of monthly subscription benefits and then proceed to select the specific page asset and tap Pay. Confirm your App Store payment method. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.